All right, pack meetings, here we are with 10.5. First page, unlocking the problem. Hopefully you watched the video on how to use my conversion chart here. Remember, this is all about bouncing decimal and dividing and multiplying by powers of 10, so I'm just moving a decimal over. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. In fact, I'm gonna do it really quickly up here and then we'll follow their steps. So let's take a look at the problem. Using a map, Alex estimates the distance between his house and his grandparents' house to be about 15,000 meters. About how many kilometers, so that's what we need to find, away from his grandparents' house does Alex live? So the metric system is based on place value, which we talked about before. It's base 10, so it's a power of 10. Remember, if I go this way, my units are bigger, so I'm dividing, right? If I go in that way, my units are smaller, I need more, so I multiply. So I'm dividing by 10, dividing by 10, dividing by 10, in order to have, to compare units, okay? To compare them. These are 1,000 times bigger than those, so I need to divide this by 1,000 to make them equivalent to that. So, find the relationship between the units. Meters are, like we said before, 1, 2, 3 powers of 10, which is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000, which is 1, 2, 3 zeros and a 1, right? So there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So determine the operation to be used. These are bigger, so I need fewer of them, so I will be dividing. If I'm converting from a meter unit to a kilometer unit, so I will divide. All right, and if you put it up here, 15,000, remember what I said before, 15,000, decimal goes where? At the very, very end, place the decimal, just like here, 1, 2, 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3 jumps, I put it right there. This is gonna equal 15 kilometers. 15,000 divided by 1,000 equals 15. So it's about 15 kilometers, boom. And another way to look at that would be 15,000 divided by 1,000. Right, and what do we do with our zeros? Take them off, right? 1 into 1 is 1 time, 1 into 5 is 5 times, right? I get 15, 1 divided by 15, or 15 divided by 1. All right, easy peasy, bouncing decimals. This should go quickly, I hope. Let's move on to the next page.